As it has been once said that the problem is not the problem. The problem is your attitude towards the problem. Anyone can make plastic anywhere in the world and sell it anywhere else in the world. And there's no barrier on producing these plastics, therefore causing huge plastic pollutions. Among the countries with plastic pollution, most polluting countries include India, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Thailand and Bangladesh itself. But Indonesia has recently started to reduce its plastic wastages. The island Bali itself has its program known as Bye Bye Plastic Bags. All these plastic have the same story: produced, consumed and disposed, thereby ending up in riverbanks, oceans and landfills, upsetting the ecosystem. Now let's look into the bigger picture of solving the problem. We must first have the mindset of working together as a whole. People, organizations and the government taking responsibility. Therefore, the big idea is reforming the whole system. The system runs on a regular basis with no contingent plan whatsoever to saving this Mother Earth. The core idea is to recover the thrown away plastic and feed back into the economy as valuable plastic product. For doing so, firstly the initiator must be the government itself. The government will put value on plastic bags. For example, in England, people has to pay 5 pence for every plastic bag they buy. Let me mention, one-time use plastic bags. Therefore, reducing plastic bag usage. The government will set up point of wastages sales in various locations where the plastic waste could be sold on a basis of fixed rate per kg. For example, on the coastlines or slum areas where the plastic wastages are mainly dumped, there are people living in those places who have poor income. Therefore, it will be an earning source for these people as well. Now, why will the people sell these wastages? Is it only for some money? No. People will be influenced and manipulated with different awareness campaigns like billboards in major public areas and posters on the wall depicting the consequences of plastic wastages. Is it only harming the earth? No. Plastic straws causes oral diseases. Now these billboards and posters will be funded by different organizations as a part of their CSR activity. Online awareness through viral videos will also be a part of the plan, where videos demonstrating how to make bags with old t-shirts and cloths rather than using plastic bags. Organizations promoting eco-friendly paper pens like Matador might make a paper pen with a seed at the end. No matter, even if I lose it or throw it away, it will grow the next day as a plant. It is invented in India, Kerala. While on the move, people won't most likely stop to dump or sell their plastic bottle to a sales point. Rather, recycle bins will be placed beside the dustbins by government, where people will put only their plastic products or wastages. These recycle bins is a must to be kept at every households, offices, shopping malls, restaurants, and as well as every public places. Finally, these plastics will be gathered from these recycle bins every single day on a daily basis. This will be transferred to the treatment plant, where it will be squeezed flat and compressed into a block. The block are then shredded into tiny pieces and it will be then processed to become the raw materials of something completely new. As if by magic, the waste will be ready to be reborn. Now, even if we can't reduce the usage of plastic in 1 day or 2 days, we might shift to a different plastic known as bioplastic. Adding a special polymer to used polyethylene and polypropylene can create the tough new plastic which is biodegradable. I repeat, biodegradable. Now, I have two options with this plastic bottle that I own. I either crush it and litter it anywhere I want to, or by being an active inhabitant of this planet Earth, I help transform it into something new and a valuable plastic product with this waste.